How to connect LG Smart TV with Bluetooth speaker. Hi there! In today's video, you'll learn how to connect LG Smart TV to a Bluetooth speaker. Follow these steps. Step 1. Turn on the Bluetooth speaker. Make sure the Bluetooth speaker is powered at on and in pairing mode. Most speakers enter pairing mode automatically when turned on. Otherwise, press and hold the Bluetooth button until you see a flashing light or hear a tone. Step 2. Access the TV settings. Using your LG TV remote, press the Settings button. Navigate to All Settings, Sound and Sound Out. Step 3. Select Bluetooth option. In the Sound Out menu, choose Bluetooth Device List or Bluetooth Output. Step 4. Pair the speaker. Your TV will begin scanning for Bluetooth devices. Select your Bluetooth speaker from the list of available devices, and then wait for TV to confirm it's connected. Step 5. Confirm audio output. Once connected, all audio from the TV should play through the speaker. You can adjust the volume using your TV remote or the speaker controls. Note: some older LG TVs may not support Bluetooth audio output. Check your model's user manual or LG website if the option is not available. If your speaker isn't showing up, make sure no other devices are connected and is in pairing mode. And that's it. Now you know how to connect LG Smart TV with Bluetooth speaker. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.